Catalogs are to display your products and services in an organized way. You can have unlimited number of catalogs. You can place a particular catalog in as many pages as you want. There are two steps in deploying a catalog into a website. First, you have to create the catalog, and second, you have to insert it into the page. In this particular demonstration, we're going to create a catalog and then display it in the catalogs page. As you can see, currently the catalogs page does not contain a catalog. So let's click on the catalog link in the backside. When you do that, you're gonna see all the catalogs you have already built. In this case, we only have one catalog called cars. If you want to create a new catalog, you click on the link there. Since I already created a catalog and I've got a couple of samples in there to keep the video a little bit short, let's just go over the catalog that I've already created. You click on the catalog to edit it, the catalog name, and in this case it's cars. You choose the first field, and that's the mandatory fields. A catalog has to have at least one field, and in this case it's make model for the car, whether the catalog is going to be online or not, whether it's going to push RSS feeds, and if you're pushing RSS feeds, other websites can pick up this particular feed and display your catalog into their website. So as you make changes to your catalog, whether you delete an item or add a new item or edit an item, their website automatically is going to reflect those changes. Very cool. Whether your catalog, you want it to be searchable or not, whether you want your thumbnail pictures to be enlarged with the lightbox effects, the size of the small picture, the size of the large picture, the full image hint, whether you want to add shadows to the pictures, how the items in your catalog are going to be sorted out. In this case, I'm choosing title of list item. How many items per page? In this case, we're saying 5. So if your, let's say your catalog has 7 items, your catalog is going to be 2 pages. The first 5 in the first page and the items 6, 7 in the second page. Automatically, if you have more than 5 items, automatically you're going to have a pagination in your catalog page, so you can go from one page to the other. If you want to use a form with your catalogs, you choose your form here. You need to already have created at least one form, so you can choose it. If you don't have a form in the system, if you want to use it, go create a form and then insert it here. The link that you want to use to link to the form, it's here, and when you're done, you say save. Okay, now that we created the catalog, we have to create the fields, and you can create as many fields as you want. In this case, I only have 2 additional fields. Remember, the first field was the make and the model of the car. The second field, it's price, and the third one is description. Okay, to edit a field, you click on the field name. The name is price. In this case, the type is text. Whether you want it to be a public field, public field means it's going to be displayed on the website. Otherwise, the field is only going to be displayed in the backside for your own information. Whether you want the field to be mandatory or not, and whether you want it to be a search field. And you're going to see the search field in a second. The description is also a search field, and the type, it's a rich text as opposed to a text field, and you're going to see in a second. If you want to add a new item to the catalog, you click new item, If you want to see any your existing items, they're over here. Those are the three search fields that we're talking about. So you can make any of the fields searchable or not. Also, the searchable fields are going to be have search boxes on the website as well. So this can come very handy when you have many items, so you can find your items quite easily. Now we have, as you can see, we have two items in this particular catalog, and they're both online. You can put an item offline as well, and you're gonna see in a second how. To create a new item, click on that link over there. To edit an item in your catalog, you simply click on the title, and there's a make and model of the car. Whether you want to use the contact form in this case, whether you want to use that form for this particular item, you click on the checkbox over there. You can place an item to be online and offline by date. So you can say from online from until. We have the price of this particular car, the description, which was a text, a rich text field. So you can configure it, the text, as in any way you want. And finally, you can upload a picture. In this case, it's already uploaded, so I can delete the picture. Once you delete the picture, you can upload a new one and replace it. When you finish, you say save, and that's how you create your catalogs and populate the items inside of it. So that's the first part into creating a catalog. So second part is insert it into a page. Inserting a catalog into a page is a very easy process. You decide which page you want to insert your catalog. In this case, it's the page that's called catalogs. You click on it. Below the editor, there are going to be some fields. One of the fields is going to be the catalog fields, and click on the down arrow, and you're going to see all the catalogs that are in your system. In this case, there's only one, the cars. You simply choose that, save the page, and you're done. That's it. And if you say check, you go to catalogs, and as you can see, we have the two catalog items. Those are the search fields. If you click on the image, the image gets bigger with a lightbox effect. If you click on the link over there, it's gonna take you to the form, the contact form to use. And by using this type of a form inside the catalog, it's very helpful, because automatically when you receive the email, it's going to tell you, if they don't put it into the comments and questions, what car or what item they're talking about, they're asking questions about. Automatically the email that you're going to receive, it's going to say the item's name. So that's for the BMW, and if you click on the link for the Porsche, there's the name of that car. And basically that's how you use forms. Any page in your website that pushes RSS fields, the RSS field image is going to display at the bottom left of your footer. If you click on that, this is the RSS feed that the website is pushing. So anyone can pick up this address URL and display your catalog into their website. That's all when it comes to deploying catalogs into your web pages.